Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys about a story time that actually just happened like a couple of minutes ago. I literally just got home from the store and I wanted to record this video to spread awareness and just to let you guys know that you need to be more careful in public. You need to be aware of your surroundings and just really make sure you are alert of everything and everyone around you. I'm sure almost every female and male has felt uncomfortable in public because of someone else, or felt like they were being watched, followed, or even having their picture taken, which is absolutely pathetic and disgusting. I went to the gym this morning and it was a normal morning like always, and I finished up at the gym. I went with my boyfriend and then I decided that I wanted to go to the store because I needed a couple things so I could clean my room and do everything. So we actually drove separate. We split from the gym, so he went to his house to go get a shower and make breakfast and everything, and I went to the store, particularly the dollar store, because I knew I needed hair ties and stuff like that. So I was walking around the dollar store for like 2 or 3 minutes and everything was like normal, you know, like a normal shopping day. You know, you just go to the dollar store to pick up a couple things and whatever. Also, I am still in my gym outfit because I came from the gym, but all I'm wearing is a pink tank top that is tied up in the front just because I usually wear my shirts like that, and I am wearing Nike Pro shorts, but as you can see, they are not overly short. They're not booty shorts. They are tight, but I was at the gym. They're not like hiked up or anything, and it's not even like, oh, I could understand if I was wearing like super like tight shorts, because like even then, like if you can't control yourself in public, then like y'all nasty shouldn't be in public. Like, anyways, yeah, I was wearing this and I was walking down the makeup aisle, and I didn't suspect anything of it. Like, I always just levitate to that aisle first whenever I go to the dollar store. So I was looking. I didn't really need anything beauty wise from there, so I was just like kind of looking. I picked up some hair ties, hair clips, and so be it. So I carry on. I go through an aisle, and then I get to the next aisle after that aisle, and it's a hanger aisle. So there's like hangers, just like house stuff, you know. There's like wash baskets, laundry, mesh bags, and I'm looking and I notice this like guy comes from the left of the aisle. So like that's like the front of the store, and the aisles are like this. So you walk in and then the back of the store is back here. So I was like right back here. I wasn't like in the front of the store, and I see this guy walking from the front of the store like towards the back of the aisle where I was, and he's like walking really slow, and he has his phone like this, like his phone is being held like this. And I understand not everybody has a pocket to put their phone in. He did, but I mean, some people really do like walk around with their phone in their hand. But it's not just like he was like carrying it like this or like, you know, whatever. Like, it was literally like this. Like, who, please explain to me who holds their phone like this, because I don't. And I don't know anybody who does. And I'm actually usually really good with my surroundings. I didn't take notice of him in the beauty aisle at all, so he could have been, but I didn't see him, and you know, I wasn't really looking for him, so it's not like, you know, I really remember. But yeah, I didn't get suspicious of anything in the beauty aisle, but I was looking at hangers because I actually do need more hangers. I'm like running out, so I was looking at them and I noticed he like kind of like cuts in front of me, and I was like, oh, I'm sorry, and he just like didn't say anything, and I was like, okay, whatever. Like, some people are just rude and like don't know how to use the manners, so I was like, whatever. And as I'm looking at hangers, he starts looking at like what was next to it, which was like over the door racks, like, you know, those things that you put over your door, and it's like hooks where you can put like hoodies on it. They're like individual hooks. So he was looking at those, and like I heard a click, like a ch-ch-ch, and it wasn't an iPhone. I don't know what phone it was. I don't think it was a Samsung. I've never seen that phone before in my life. And it was like a weird like camera flash noise. All I knew was it was the sound of a picture being taken. And I was like, oh my god, this is a creepo. Like, this is a pedophile, like, man. So say the aisle is right here, like going straight. I was right here and he was like right next to me, but like not really close, you know, like it was kind of like spaced out. But I heard that click, and it's not like I was like facing like with my back towards him. Like, I was like kind of facing, looking like this as he was like this. So it's not like he took a picture of anything then. And I was like, that's like kind of weird. Like, maybe he's taking pictures of hangers for whatever reason, but like, I have videos and stuff. Just, this is just the beginning of the story of when I first got into the store and first started getting suspicious. So after that happened, I like kind of like hid behind, there was like a cardboard box full of like bleach, and I was like kind of like hiding my back end behind that. So he started walking in front of me. as I was standing right here, and he then turned towards me again and had his camera like facing literally straight at me. And at that point I knew, I was like, oh my god, he's like trying to get an angle like of me to take a picture of. And I was like shaking. I felt so grossed out, like I didn't even want to be in there anymore. And I texted my boyfriend, literally, let me pull up the messages. Please come, this old man is trying to take a picture of me. Straight up camera looked at me. Like I'm literally sitting there with my back end up against a shelf, like literally staring at stuff. It was probably like 2 or 3 minutes that passed. We're both sitting in this aisle. I'm not moving. Like I'm just on my phone, like just texting him. And he's still trying to like walk this way, like trying to like get around me. And I'm just like turning, like I was making it so obvious that I knew, and he still didn't get a hint. So then I see Darian start to come in the door. And I texted him quickly, don't let him know you're with me. So then I went in the makeup aisle, because why would an old man be looking at makeup? And out of the corner of my eye, he literally walks past the aisle, passes it, and then comes back and starts to walk up the aisle. I was like, oh my god, oh my god. And then Darian was already on top of it. Like Darian was already following behind him, like secretly. And Darian then heard his camera flash, like the thing, and I was like, oh my god, like this is like embarrassing for him, like this is embarrassing. And then I start literally walking backwards out of the makeup aisle with my cart. Like I don't care how obvious I made it that I knew, like I just didn't want to have my picture being taken. When you leave the makeup aisle, there's like a rotating thing of sunglasses and prescription glasses. So I'm then walking around there, and this is when I started actually like getting smart and putting my phone in my pants to record, instead of just like, you know, trying to like be nonchalant about it. So I put my phone in my pants like this, and sometimes people really do walk around like this, like it wasn't like anything out of the ordinary. This is when I actually started recording and like sitting in certain places so it would be facing right at him. And I happened to look back at footage when I got home, and I'm just gonna roll the clip and you guys can watch for yourselves. So in case the video was too fast, obviously I was trying to move so like he couldn't take a picture of me, but it was so obvious just because of this reason. Number one, I'm going to insert a screenshot that I took from that video with his camera literally straight up like this. Like it wasn't even like he was taking a picture of something and like this, like he was like straight up, like why is your camera like this at me? So picture this as the rotating glasses thing. I was standing over here and he was standing over here, and he was pretending to hold glasses and like with his phone taking pictures of the glasses. So I was like, you know, I don't want to call him out because like it's pretty obvious, but like maybe he really is like taking pictures of glasses for whatever reason. So I was like, okay. So I walked over this way and made sure like he couldn't see me, like I was like using my cart to hide me. So I went over this way, and he then went over this side, turned his body, and started taking pictures of glasses this way. And I can understand if you need to take pictures of glasses, but there's no reason why I need to be in the back of that picture. If you're taking pictures of glasses like this and then I move over here, then all of a sudden you move that way, like that's weird. That's weird. It's like really hard to picture this because of like every store is different. Like I can't even explain a store, but it's just like aisles, like that's how it is. So the prescription of glasses right here, the makeup aisle, and I'm now like backing myself up the last aisle of the store. Darian is now standing behind him in the makeup aisle because he turned this way to look at me when I was over here. So Darian's now in the makeup aisle looking at his phone standing behind him, and his camera was open. So it's not even like he was aiming at any glasses at this point. Like when he was aiming his picture like this, Darian heard a click, so it was pretty obvious that he was trying to take pictures of me. And also, not to mention that he was in the makeup aisle, you know, like trying to follow me and find me. So yeah, Darian then at this point confronts him and goes up to him and says something. My camera's now moved to the side like this, and I'm pretending to look at Candy while I'm recording everything that's going on over here. So Darian starts to confront him, and I'll then play the video.
You've been a picture of baggage before. A bunch of bags down there. My wife sent me. I have no idea what ones I was supposed to get.
My girl was saying you took pictures of her. My girl, she's saying you take pictures of her.
Oh, fuck no. I never do that. I'm reading my freaking screen. sucks.
Nah, I seen you over there. You were looking at sunglasses and you were.
I was videotaping those. I was standing there videotaping them because I got to get a matching set for when I go home my wife. You know, just like this. So like, I'm looking at you, and what do I see?
So Darren started the conversation by saying, oh, your camera's open. And he goes, oh, my bad. Like he didn't know the camera was open. But apparently he knew he was taking pictures of glasses, yet he didn't know his camera was open.
And then I was like, oh, you're taking pictures of my girlfriend? He's like, no, why would I do that? I wouldn't do that.
He said, F no. Like,
yeah, I wouldn't do
like
that.
It was totally like...
And I was like, yo, get away from my girlfriend and get out of here.
Yeah, I don't know how much you guys can really hear of the conversation from the video that I just showed you. But Darian basically like told him about like, oh, like stop taking pictures of my girlfriend. And he, I saw his face when he said that of my girlfriend. He looked so shocked. He was like, this girl really called her boyfriend on me. And yes, I did, because like, what is wrong with you? If he was taking pictures of glasses, why were you also taking pictures of hangers, like, and a whole bunch, like, why were you in the makeup aisle with me? Right after he confronted him and like whatever, he left the store. So like, if you weren't doing anything, like, why would you leave? Like, why would you want to get out of there if you needed glasses? Like, so yeah, if you guys ever feel uncomfortable or feel like you're being stalked, followed, watched, anything of the sort, please call somebody, let someone know, alert someone you love, even share your location with somebody. It could save your life. And if nobody answers or you don't really have anybody to go to, you can also call 911. It's better to be safe than sorry. I don't know if that guy was like a kidnapper or whatever. Like, he could have people in his basement right now for all I know. So yeah, that was it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and also comment down below if you ever had any type of experience like this. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. You guys, please be safe out there and look for your surroundings, watch other people, and just be alert. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.